Welcome to Comrade Media. July 5th, the Dree Festival. The Dree Festival is an agricultural festival celebrated by the Apatni tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. Every year, it is observed on 5th July with great fervor and zest by the Apatanis. This is the biggest festival celebrated by Apatani and it is marked by sacrificial offerings and prayers. The festival is celebrated on 5th of July and you can witness the auspicious festival in Zero district of Arunachal Pradesh. Dree is celebrated in order to bring a bountiful harvest season. Hence, Apatani offers prayers to four gods. They follow: Tamu, Harniang, Meti and Dani. This 3-day long agriculture festival is joyously celebrated with traditional clothes worn by women and children. Dree festival is one of the best festivals in Arunachal Pradesh. During the fest, delicious and tangy rice and millet beer are served, followed by traditional dances and songs performed by tribe people. Besides, it can be considered an interesting festival of Arunachal Pradesh because during the festival, cucumber is distributed to the guests and participants. This symbolizes the sacredness of vegetables and perhaps for a fruitful agriculture. But little do we know about the mythology associated with the celebration of Dree by Apatanis. One of the myths among the so many is like this. Abotani, the father of mankind, was happily married to Ayodhya Dilbiu, and as the saying goes, behind every successful man there is a woman. Abatani was successful and prosperous by virtue of able guidance of his wife Ayodhya Tibiu. However, the prosperity wouldn't remain for long as he fell for Tinirungyu, who was after his wealth. Tinirungyu, being crooked, made Abotani to divorce Ayodhya Tibiu and marry her. Abotani, blindly fallen for her, spent his wealth leisureously on her, and time came when he wasn't left for even a grain of rice. Now the realization dawned upon Abotani that it was because of able management of his former wife Ayodhya Tibiu that he was prosperous and successful, and it was because of wicked Tinirungyu that he lost all his wealth. This realization made him draw Tinirungyu and he tried to convince Ayodhya Tibiu to return back to him. When she did not agree, Abotani requested to give him at least some grains of paddy so that he may start cultivating paddy. But she refused. Seeing no other option, he devised an idea to steal some grains from Ayodhya Tibiu. When one fine sunny day, Ayodhya Tibiu was drying her paddy on a pipping, that is mat, Abotani asked his dog to go over to Ayodhya Tibiu and roll over the paddy dried on pipping and come back running to him. The obedient dog did as it was, but before it could go back running to Abotani, Ayodhya Tibiu caught the dog and cleansed off every bit of paddy grain stuck to the body of the dog before letting him go. Finding the dog returning without a grain of paddy, Abotani was disappointed. However, on careful inspection, he found 2 grains in each ear of the dog. He had succeeded in his plan. With these 2 grains, Abotani started afresh the paddy cultivation. However, the pests and insects and nature destroyed the plants, resulting in very less produce and famine ensued. The next year also, the situation remained the same. This made Abotani to consult the god of agriculture, Abo Libo and Ane Doni. The agriculture god advised Abotani to perform series of rites for well-being of the crops. Following the advice of the agriculture god, he performed chanti in the month of February or March when the soil was being prepared for cultivation. Kidi, the mother earth, and Meadow, the sky, was propitiated for fertility of soil and for favorable climate throughout the season. When paddy seedlings started germinating, to protect the mankind from Pyodo Binni, that is famine god, Meti was performed. And finally, when the saplings were transplanted from nurseries to the field, Dree was performed to protect the plants from pests and insects. It was supplemented by Tamu rite for destroying the pests and insects or worms inside the soil, and Yapung rite to appease the rain god not to shower thunder or hailstorm to damage the crops. Performing the above rites, Abotani had a bumper yield that year, and since then these rites have been performed. Dree, this is a festival, a ritual observed by Apatanis for a rich harvest.